Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quran Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student, listen carefully and try to understand. Bala mean why not. Bala mean why not yanne but man whoever kasaba has earned sayyatan evil wa ahatat and وَحَاطَتْ بِهِ خَطِيئَتُهُ and his sin has surrounded him. فَأُولَٰئِكَ then such are أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ the companions of the fire. هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ they will abide therein forever. وَالَّذِينَ and those who amanu believe وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ and do righteous deeds. أُولَٰئِكَ such are أَصْحَابُ الْجَنَّةِ the companions of the garden. هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ they will abide therein forever. وَإِذْ and when Akhazna we took Misaka a covenant Bani Israel from the children of Israel. La ta'buduna do not worship illa except Allah. Illallah except Allah. Wabil walidaini ihsana and be good to parents. Wazil qurba and the kindred. Wal yatama and the orphans. Wal masakini and the needy. Waqulu linnasi and speak good. Waqulu and speak linnasi to mankind. Husna speak good. Husna speak good. Husna good. وَأَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ and establish prayer. وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ and give the poor due. ثُمَّ تَوَلَّيْتُمْ then you turned away. إِلَّا except قَلِيلًا مِنْكُمْ a few among you. وَأَنْتُمْ مُعْرِضُونَ while you are backsliders. Jazakallah, dear students, try to remember it and write down. Send us before coming class tomorrow. Inshallah, we will check. Mu'mineen and Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, they can contact us. Jazakallah fi amanillah. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammadin wa ajil farajuhum.